Good evening, everyone. I'm joining in at Penny's place for the St. Patrick Day tier tray collab. I hope you go over and check out this awesome creator, and please check out the co-hostess too and the playlist. Everybody here does such a wonderful job on this project. Now let's see who the co-host is. And here's the co-hostess, Gigi's Creations. And she's joining in with the St. Patrick Day tier tray. She's the co-hostess, so please make sure you go over, check out Penny's Place and Gigi's Creation and the wonderful playlist. They have done a great job on all their videos too. Well, let's see what Grandma did. Okay, we're getting ready to start. I have this beautiful green tea towel. I put a green and white tea towel over in the cozy corner. This is not new. This is something I already had. And let's start building upon it. We may move it, we may change it, I don't know. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to use that tea towel how I'm using it. I don't like how it looks. I think I'm going to like this tea towel the way I have it looking right now. Now it's going to look a lot different once everything gets put in place, but it's just didn't want to lay properly for the way that corner is. Well, let's go see what else Grandma can do. The tray I already had. That was a gift from my son and my daughter-in-law for Christmas, and the two little risers that I'm using as a tiered tray my daughter gave me, so that is nothing I had to buy. The doilies I've had for quite some time also, and the placemat also I've had about a year or so. I'm going to take it back out. I just wanted to see how I liked it in there. I'm going to center that tier tray a little bit different. I don't like how it looks. It's not centered properly. And we're going to put our flowers in. Now we're going to start with the flowers. And of course, it's going to probably be moved around a little bit. It's not going to stay just the way it is. I'm just trying to see how I like it and see how it's going to work. And I got to put the tray back in there also. Let's see how that's going to work. Okay, let me see how it's going to look with the tray in there. Okay, I already had the two little wooden boxes you see. And on the second one, it had little spaces in between the planks. I carefully put the little three-leaf clover, or the shamrock, in there to help support that wreath where it's not going to fall over or go anywhere. Well, and we're all done. Let me know what you think. Took a little bit of time, and everything else except for the things that I got at Dollar Tree are things I already had or owned. Of course, I did put a couple things in from Cracker Barrel, like the wooden mushrooms and the red mushrooms here, salt and pepper shakers. I think that's it. Everything else I've already had and put on other posts in the past. Let me know what you think, what you like the best. What was your favorite? Took quite a while to fill it up and make it look like a cozy corner should, with lots of whimsy and lots of joy. You know how Grandma loves to put a lot of color in her cozy corner. I used a lot of natural elements in this one today, as you can see. We used real wooden mushrooms. I really love them. They're brand new. I just got them. I have 4 brown ones and 1 white one. That's all I could find to buy. These are pine cones that look like flowers, and I've used them in plenty of posts, and they're from my daughter's place up in the mountains. Her tree drops them. I'll try to get some more next year. They're so pretty. And this little guy, I think I've had 5 or 6 years. I just thought he'd be cute. He has the red mushrooms, and I thought we could have him flying in, and he's wearing a little green outfit. And he looks super cute, and he looked like he's turning a little green from his scary ride on that owl. Let me know what you think. Let me know what was your favorite piece that I got. It doesn't have to be one of the new pieces. It can be anything that's on this table. I shouldn't say table, on this countertop, because this is what it is, a countertop. So let me know what you like the best. I'm quite happy with the way that corner turned out. I moved it around a little, but I guess it'll have to stay the way it is. I'm running out of time, and we'll work on it next year more. I will probably put these all in one little box where I can put them back together for next year. Now that doesn't mean everything on this cozy corner is going to be packed away. Only the brand new things I got for St. Patty's Day. Because, you know, I don't want to have to buy these items again next year. I think they should make it for 2 or 3 years, and everything I have looks fine. I will probably get some other accessories to go with it and give it a little refresh next year. But I'm so happy how it turned out. Let me know what you thought. I'm thinking I like it pretty good. I did move a few things around, and I think it did help. And of course, I used my white butterflies again because they're so pretty and they give a lot more contrast. Because we have all this green, I wanted a little more white. And of course, my accent color was red. The red mushrooms. The red mushrooms were here at the top. They were down here on the tray. And the little red cap and the little red mushrooms next to the owl. I thought it turned out pretty good. Hugs and kisses to all of you. Hope you enjoyed what you saw.